Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the desktop version of YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to manage videos, analytics, comments, and channel settings professionally from your computer, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open your browser and go to YouTube Studio. So, sign into your YouTube account to access your creator dashboard. Next, look at the main dashboard. Here you can quickly see recent uploads, analytics, comments, and channel performance. So yeah, click the content section to manage your videos. This is where you edit titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and visibility. Now open the Analytics tab. This helps you track views, watch time, subscribers, and audience behavior. So yeah, use the comments section to reply to viewers and moderate discussions. Engaging with your audience helps channel growth. Next, go to Customization. This section lets you edit your banner, logo, featured videos, and channel branding. So yeah, explore tools like the audio library and subtitle editor. These features help improve video quality and accessibility. Now open the settings menu to manage permissions, monetization, upload defaults, and notifications. So this helps streamline your workflow. Finally, use desktop shortcuts and organize your workflow for faster content management. The desktop version is much more powerful for creators. And that's how to use the YouTube Studio desktop version in 2026. Once you understand the dashboard and tools, managing your channel becomes much easier and more professional. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials.